I'm Jeffrey Kyle Pearson, and this is Turf Media. In these videos, we discuss the lawn care business, how-tos, tutorials, different lawn care tips and tricks, and business facts. Stay tuned. All right, today we're going to be testing vinegar, salt, and dish soap in one bottle. Another bottle we're testing rubbing alcohol and water. And the last one we'll be testing just vinegar straight up. I've read a lot of different things about this, and I want to put it to the test. So as you can see here, we got the vinegar. All I can find is 5, man. I don't know where you can find the 20 and 10, all that stuff. Here's the dish soap, salt. I already mixed the alcohol and water because that was just in the bathroom. So we'll see. So we already got this one done. Alright, so I read it's like 3 parts vinegar, parts salt. So luckily these water bottles here have readings on the side. So we don't need this thing totally filled up, so we're just gonna fill up to 10, and then pour salt as needed, and then a couple drops of the dish soap. Alright, so we all cooked before, most of us at least. I kind of can eye up a couple tablespoons, so I'm just going to throw it in there. Now, the deal with dish soap. Now, lawn care, we buy a thing called Stickum. That mixes with your whatever weed control that you're mixing. The point of that is it sticks on like waxy, grassy leaves, kind of like this ground ivy here, clover, crabgrass, things like that. So it sticks on there, it gives it a chance to kill instead of just running right off. I mean, honestly, you probably can use anything. A lot of guys that do this, they do use dish soap, and they don't buy that like $80 bottle of Stickum. And you can just go to the dollar store and get $1. Actually, all this stuff was dollar store. So, I mean, water bottle's great. I mean, put WD-40 in there, good to go. Anyways, so that's the whole point of this. It's not like it has a special ingredient to kill the weeds. It just sticks to the weed. Also, dish soap is good for plants. You're trying to keep away spider mites and things like that. Just mix just a little drop in there, spray your plants, and it'll be bug free. So we're mixing this up. Okay, vinegar straight up. So to do this project, I separated 3 different sections. You kind of can see that. It's spray painted in blue. So we got the V over here for just vinegar. There's our bottle. Over here is A for the alcohol. And I didn't mark anything for the vinegar, salt, and dish soap. We have the different sections Let's spray it. I'll check in a few days, see what did what. We got the vinegar. As you see, we got some ground ivy right here. $1. More ground ivy. Some grass. Let's see if it kills the grass. That looks like it was a dandelion. There's some crabgrass. These dollar store ones are actually pretty good. They got the nice spray nozzle on there. Oh, clover too. Alright, I think I soaked it pretty good. It's fair enough, right? Okay. Let's do the same thing with the alcohol. Adjust the nozzle. Okay. I picked this spot because it looked like it had all the same kind of weeds. Little grass, little everything that you're pretty much going to see like in a crack of a driveway or just in a spot that you don't want weeds to be. If you are using a mix like these, I would definitely keep them away from the plants or anything that you want to keep alive, because these probably will mess with them pretty good. That goes with any kind of weed spray. The one everybody talks about. Okay. I chose water bottles because, you know, most people don't have a backpack sprayer, and I'm not gonna do that and really waste my time and mix that amount of ingredients in a backpack sprayer when I can just do it in a small amount. Most people don't want to go to the store and spend $15 to $30 on a backpack sprayer. Just mix it in a water bottle, be done here, move on. Alright, another good soaking. Okay. Soak that up pretty good. We'll check back in a few days. Alright, today is Tuesday, July 24th. Now, as we see, we got some results. Let's check just the vinegar. Kind of can see the blue line right here. We got some rain over the weekend, so that kind of messed up my spray paint lines here. So, not too bad. I mean, it kind of hit this a little bit, burned it up a little bit. The line is about right here, so you kind of can see the blue there and right here. So that's not that bad. Wiped out grass. All the other weeds. It did okay. So now let's look over just to the alcohol and water. So here we go. Here's the line right here, and then right there. That didn't really do much. A little bit, but definitely wouldn't count on the alcohol and water. I can even just say there's the A. Kind of can still see. Burn it up a little bit. Alright, now mix it over to this salt, vinegar, and dish soap. Okay, did pretty good, actually. Man, look at this. This thing's really fried. Check that out. Sheesh. Now, with regular weed control, it usually takes about a week. It's been almost a week, and if it's really bad, you need to hit it again. It's not really about the quantity of weed control that you use. You're supposed to use the certain mixture that it calls for. There's only so much a plant can take in, otherwise you're just wasting into the soil. So a lot of times you got to do like a few different rounds to really kill it. But it's for the first round, you step back here, you kind of can see the square. It's on each section there. I definitely would say the salt, vinegar, and dish soap did the best out of all of them. So with my experience, I've used this stuff before on some driveway cracks. It did the job for about a week or so. The weeds and grass always came right back. So I feel that this only kills like the surface of the plant. It actually doesn't go into the root zone. You can still try it on your own, see what's going on maybe. But definitely stick with some regular weed control. I can throw some up in the description there for you. Take a look at some. It's not that expensive. You can still use a water bottle if you wish. I always carry one on my spreader just in case you see a couple weeds, because carrying a big backpack sprayer on you sometimes is just not practical. But I hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe and let me know what else you like. I got plenty more coming. Thank you.